The Mifo O7s. Hello everyone, welcome to Brian Unboxed. In this video, we'll take a look at the Mifo O7 True Wireless Earbuds. I will go over specs, features, provide music and microphone samples, then give my thoughts. I have included the link in the description below for the product. If you are new to my channel or have been here before, thanks for taking the time to watch. Also, don't forget to like, subscribe, and enable notifications so you don't miss out on future videos. So let's take a look. Inside it comes with a user guide, USB-C cable for charging, and an assortment of ear tips. It comes in a slim box and it's packaged nicely with the contents labeled. The O7s feature 6 to 7 hours of listening time, 25 hours with the case. It has quick charge, so 15 minutes will give you 1 hour. Uses Bluetooth 5.0 and the Qualcomm 3020 chipset. It has aptX, AAC, SBC codec, and CVC 8.0 for noise reduction. Touch controls, dual balance armatures, USB-C for charging, and it's IP67 waterproof. The case is small and has some good weight to it. It has an aluminum shell and it feels very solid. It's 30% smaller than the Mifo O5 case. The branding is etched in on the top of the lid. On the right side you have the USB-C charge port and power LED. And opening the case you find the charge status LED. And just to get a size perspective, here it is next to the AirPods Pro case. The lid opens and closes smoothly, and you can see the hinge mechanism. The earbuds are magnetically secured and they're easy to grip and remove from the case. The O7s are small and have an ergonomic shape to them. The inside has a flat finish with the ear markings, and on the outer face you have the branding along with the touch control surface. Each of the earbuds feature microphone, LED, touch control, interchangeable ear tips, and charging contacts. Here they are side by side. The controls are easy to navigate. A few taps or a long press will get you the desired function. You can also control the volume levels. The case comes in at 2.4 inches by 1.5 by 1. It weighs in at 83 grams and the earbuds come in at approximately 9 grams. Now for some music samples. This will give you a sense on how they sound like. It's not a full representation of the overall sounds as there's no replacements for actually having them on. It will then be followed by a microphone sample.
Never understand the things that we want, but you keep coming back. I want love you don't know, so why are you here? Yeah, I should take it back so that you don't know.
Now for a microphone sample in a noisy setting. This is a test of the Mifo O7 microphone. Testing 1, 2, 3. Testing 1, 2, 3. The microphone was loud and clear during calls. Other parties had no issues hearing me. You can use the earbuds independently, left or right side, and the pairing process is instant. When testing video on an iOS device, there was no noticeable latency. Range was also stable as I tested in a 1400 square feet setting. Here are my thoughts on the Mifo O7 earbuds, and sound can be subjective as everyone enjoys different types of sound signatures. The earbuds were comfortable and easy to put on. It created a good seal and I didn't feel excessive pressure in my ear canals. Touch controls are a plus since it doesn't add pressure when navigating. They felt secure and stayed into place. Build and quality is excellent. The case has some good weight to it and it just feels solid and durable. The earbuds also feel durable. The design is small and has a slim profile so they don't protrude out of your ears. Touch controls were responsive and I had no issues with them. Battery life is also respectable, coming in at 6 to 7 hours. Some features I would have liked to have seen, especially at this price point, are wireless charging, active noise cancellation, and transparent hearing. Many of the competing brands are starting to integrate those features. When it comes to sound, starting off with the bass, it was very prominent. Bass comes in punchy and tight, but it's not overwhelming. Mids and highs come in a bit forward and are loud and clear. Vocals do stand out and you get good separation. They don't get drowned out by the bass. You may have picked up some of the details in the music samples. The sound signature is comparable to the Jabra Elite 75T, but with the bass just dialed down a bit in my opinion. Overall, these are a solid pair of earbuds. It has a compact design and the sound definitely delivers. Earbuds are waterproof, so this can be used for active lifestyles or just daily casual listening. So that is my review of the Mifo O7 True Wireless Earbuds. If you like my video, go ahead and hit that like button, and if you haven't subscribed yet, hit that subscribe button as well. Until next time, this is Brian Unboxed. Take care everyone.